Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has informed that the government has taken a decision to introduce a step marking system in the Meghalaya Board of School Education. He said the CBSE or ICSE patterns are adopting grading and marking system in the evaluation process of the examination.
CBSE pattern, ICSE pattern, because they adopt the grading and the step marking system in the evaluation process of the examination. We are also planning to introduce a step marking system in the Meghalaya Board of School Education, and we will examine on this. And yes, so we want to have out, because practically now what is happening is a question is set for mathematics question of 5 marks. There's a process, there's a system how to put in the formula, how to calculate the algebra, how to calculate the numerical. All system is there. After completing all the system in the process, finally the result came out.